welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maris Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how to set up Shadow Cypher 360 VPN application in all countries or devices for a fast, secure and stable internet access. So don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend. Don't forget to like this tutorial, and then if you get any problem, comment your device's name in the comment section, your network and your country. I'll be providing with the best servers that will be working for you on your Android device. So don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe. That is it. Let us start up part for you. So first and foremost, open Google Play Store, and then in your Google Play Store, you're going to try to activate the search bar, and then in your search bar, let us first see the search bar. In your search bar, you're going to try to type in Shadow Cypher. 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 It bases on what how you pronounce it. Shadow Cypher. Sorry guys. 360. I don't know how to pronounce, but I know the spelling. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Search this application, Shadow Cypher, and then after download, install, and then after installing, open. Keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, informational, educational purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers' terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. I don't know what's wrong with this Google Play Store. And then boom, it has opened. Now first and foremost, you are going to try to join the Telegram channel, allow the notification permission and other permission that will be requested to you by this application. So just wait for it. Now we're going to choose later, but I recommend this, but for demonstration purposes I'll choose later. And then after this application has restarted or has updated itself automatically, now choose update and then restart. By clicking this option, the application will download the configs and then it restarts itself. Now you're going to come and then join the Telegram channel, but for purposes of the tutorial I'm going to check the later, which I don't recommend. So after you're going to try to come and then choose this option. You see this option, Ghana streaming chat. Then you are going to come from Ghana streaming chat. Then you are going to choose, let me show you, dear subscribers. I'm going to show you, come from Ghana streaming chat to UDP. Then after you are going to come where you see, if you're in Ghana you can try that, so that you can establish a sort of a secure connection. But if you are in other countries, you're going to check right there, and then you're going to come, and then you're going to be connecting to AllNet UDP, and then it will connect but before connecting you're going to come where you see add time, and then check that option, and then you will be requested to watch an advert like this. You will watch an advert. So after, maybe as you see me, I've already done my I've already added my time, and then I'm going to come close those adverts, and then after I'm going to come where you see my start right here. By clicking start or accept a secure connection, and then you're going to see that it has connected. Now what if it fails to connect on your device? What if it fails to connect on device? The device has no problem, but the problem may be arising from you didn't update the resources. First you're going to try to turn airplane mode on and then off. Maybe if you're in Uganda, you didn't activate your SIM card to KYC, or you haven't bought any learn from home bundle. So if you are in other countries, you can try to restart your device, clear the app data, clear the cake, So if you did all that and it still fails to connect, allow me know in the comment section by typing your device model name, your network, your country. That is it. Let us meet in the next tutorial.